Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be solving this trigonometric equation, and we're going to find the values of x. Okay, so first of all I'm going to rewrite this one here is 3 to the power of 2 cos x, and this one is 2 to the power of 2 cos x, and then I'm going to say that this is equals to 13 6 cos x divided by 6. So now this 6 here comes here. We're gonna have 6 times 3, 2 cos of x, and then plus 6 times 2, 2 cos of x, right? And then I'm gonna say minus 13 times 6 to the cos of x, and then equals 0. I'm just and then from here I'm going to say I'm going to divide uh, all the equation by 2 to the power of 2 cos of x, right? So from here I'm going to have 6 times 3 to the power of 2 cos of x, right? Divided by 2 to the 2 cos of x, and then plus this one here is 6, right? Times 2 to the 2 cos of x divided by 2 to the 2 cos of x, and then minus 13 times 6 to the cos of x is 3 to the cos of x times 2 to the cosine of x, and then this is one here is 2 to the power of cos of x, right, times 2 to the power of cos of x, right, and then this is 0. Okay, once you have done this, this is then 6 different bases and powers. So we have that this is then 3 over 2 to the power of 2 cos of x, and then here we have that this is minus 13. I'm gonna say this one goes with this one, so we're gonna have that this is 13 times 3 over 2 to the power of cos x, and then this one and this one is 1, and then plus 6, and then this is 0. Okay guys, from here we can solve this as a quadratic equation, right, in terms of 3 over 2 to the cosine of x, right? But I'm not gonna make substitution, so I'm just gonna factor out these expressions here. So this one I can write as 6 times 3 over 2 to the power of 2 cos of x, right? And then this one here I can write as 9, right, times 3 over 2 to the power of cos of x, and then minus 6, minus 4, right, which is 14, and which is 13, right, minus 3 over 2 cos of x, and then plus 6 equals 0. From here I can factor out what? I'm gonna say actually what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to factor out 3, right? I'm gonna say 3, which multiplies 3 over 2 cos of x. If I factor out this, I have to multiply by 2 times 3 over 2 to the power of cos of x. This one times this one is this one, minus, and here I'm gonna have what? I'm gonna have just 3 minus 3, right? Because this times this, I'm gonna have this one. Okay, minus, here we're gonna take 2, right, which will multiply 2 times 3 over 2 to the power of cos of x, which is this one, and then 6 here we're gonna have minus 3 equals 0. So I found this factoring really cool, so I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe to the channel. So now we see that this one and this one are the same, so we have then that 2 times 3 over 2 to the cos of x minus 3 will multiply this one here, 3 times 3 over 2 to the power of cos of x, and then minus 2 equals 0. So we got something interesting. So this is 2 times 3 over 2 to the cos of x minus 3 equals 0, and 3 times 3 over 2 to the cos of x minus 2 equals 0. And then from here we have 2 times 3 over 2 to the cos of x equals 3, right? So from here we have 3 over 2 to the cos of x equals 3 over 2, right? This one goes dividing. Power 1, same basis, same powers. Cos of x equals 1. So from here we have, if cos of x is equal 1, so x is equal to 2 and pi. This is the first solution. The second one here, we're going to have that this is 3 over 2 to the cos of x equals, 3 times equals 2. So this is 3 over 2 to the cos of x equals 2 over 3, right? And 3 over 3, the same thing as 3 over 2. 2 over 3 is 3 over 2 to the negative 1. So 3 over 2 cos of x equals 3 over 2 to the negative 1. Same basis, same powers again. Cos of x equals negative 1. And then from here we have that x is equal to pi plus 2n pi. It's x2. So these are the solutions for our equation. Okay, so if you want, for instance, if n, for instance, is 1, you're gonna have x1 equals 2 pi, and here you're gonna have x2 equals to what? You will have 3 pi, and you will keep solving this way. But let's just be with the general solutions, which are these ones here. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment how you would proceed to solve this problem. See you next video. Bye bye.